is 3, 2, 1, so. The answer is 18. How will I about get the mountain? Look at you on the land. Look at you on the hot on that room. The eight have put down the mountain. I got your band. Hold on, everyone. Hold on. Hold your line above. ចានៅក្នុងវគ្គនេះផងដែរគឺបងប្អូនដែលមានចំណាយមិនត្រឹមត្រូវអ្នកគ្រូនឹងធ្វើការដកធ្វើពីបងប្អូនចា Put down ថ្មីម្ដងទៀត Ready That is 3, 2, 1, so. The answer is 58. How your line above? Let the audience look at us from the line. Look at us from the wrong let the audience line. 10. Hold on, everyone, hold on. Hold on, let the audience hold your line above. Hold on. Look at us from the wrong let the audience line. ចា លើករហូតដល់អ្នកគ្រូនិយាយពាក្យថាដាក់ចុះទើបអ្នកនរគ្នាអាចដាក់ចូលបានចា Hold on everyone hold your line above អូខេបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាលើកការឈ្មោះរបស់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឡើងចាអ្នកគ្រូសូមបញ្ជាក់ចំពោះបងប្អូនដែលមានចម្លើយមិនត្រឹមត្រូវអ្នកគ្រូនឹងធ្វើការប្រមូលទៅពីបងប្អូនចាPut down. That is 3, 2, 1, so. The answer is 51. Hold your line above. Everyone, hold on. លើកក្តារឈ្មោះកូនឡើងទោះបីជាចម្លើយកូនត្រូវឬមិនត្រូវកូនត្រូវលើកក្តារឈ្មោះរបស់កូនឡើងសិនរហូតដល់អ្នកគ្រូនិយាយពាក្យថា put down ទើបអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចដាក់ចូលបានអូខេ hold on អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា That is 3, 2, 1, so. Everyone, raise up your answer. Show me your answer. The answer is 74. Call your line above. Everyone, look at us from the line. ចា look at us from the line រហូតដល់អ្នកគ្រូនិយាយពីខាងផ្នែកទៅបងប្អូនអាចដាក់ក្នុងចូលបានចា Again, everyone, hold on, hold your line above. Chẳng lúc ra chung hold on, chẳng. That is 3, 2, 1, so. So your answer, everyone. The answer is 97. Hold your line above. Everyone, up your line above. Hold on, and on here, don't run that cash to the one that I'm going to Hold on. ចាបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសម្រាប់បងប្អូនដែលមានចំណាយនៅត្រឹមត្រូវចាសូម มบนเตรียมสัมภาระThree, two, one, so. Everyone, so your answer. That is. 3, 2, 1, so. แต่ตอนที่เราจำได้ก็มาพูดแต่ละเพลงค่ะ The answer is 840. Hold on. แต่ตอนที่เราจะมาชูตรงนั้นใช่លើកឡើងឈ្មោះមកឡើងចំពោះបងប្អូនដែលមានចំណាយមកត្រឹមត្រូវអ្នកគ្រូនឹងធ្វើការប្រមូលផលពីបងប្អូនចា៎ Hold on អ្នកនរគ្នា Hold on លើកអបថាកូនមកណា Sorry លើកដាក់ឈ្មោះកូនមកចា៎